was a little boy, at the age of 5, I had something in my bucket, keeps a lot of folks alive.
Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how you could use the metronome from FL Studio for live bands, for the drummer. I have looked and researched for this type of videos, and I haven't found anything that's in detail. So that's why I'm doing this video. But if there's a video out there, then don't mind this video. But anyways, like I said, this is for if you want to use the metronome from FL Studio when you're playing live and you want the metronome for the drummer so he could stay on beat. I'm gonna show you how to do that also. There's a cool way of using Edison in FL Studio, and if you want to hear the actual song, let's say if you're playing a song, if you cover band, if you're playing a song, if you want to listen to the song on the earphones, and only the musicians will hear the song, then you can do it, and I'm going to show you how to do that too. But again, you know, that depends if you're going to stick to the actual song, and if you're a singer, then sing something else, then you cannot be listening to the song on the earphones, but you could definitely hear the metronome. So I'm going to show you how to do that and the things that you need to actually get this done. Alright, this is some of the stuff that you need in order to get this done. Bear with me, I'm gonna get the camera. You're gonna see a lot of movement, or actually I should take this and it should just show you. So basically what you need is this. This is a audio interface from Behringer. You could get it from Samage for like 30 to 40 bucks. It works awesome. It has worked for me. It's the UFO 202 interface. This is the amp, the headphone amp. You need one of these depending how many musicians you're gonna be needing the metronome. Just a little focus there. This is the Behringer also headphone amp with the outputs and A and B, left and right, and also some of the cables that you will need. Let me focus here a little bit. You need this cable. This is for your headphone amp for the back. You need a couple of RCA cables, which this type of ends. This is coming from your laptop, and this is going to your mixer. I'm going to show you also how to do that, how to connect everything so you can get this ready to go. This is the other RCA. I have two of them, so basically you're gonna need two RCA cables with this type of ends. If you have, you could use these adapters, and I suggest you get them from Best Buy, which is the cheapest that I found them. It was for $2.99. If you get them at Radio Shack, it costs you like $7. So you could get them cheaper at Best Buy. And you need a regular 1/4 inch cable, and that's the stuff that you need. So now I'm gonna show you how to connect the stuff on your mixer and on your headphone amp, and then I'm gonna show you now also the setups on FL Studio. Okay, so bear with me, I got the camera in my hand in order to show you the connections. Okay, so this is the interface. Let me focus here a little bit. The USB interface, which is coming from, of course, your USB from your laptop. And then one of the RCA cables, I have it hooked up from the back here from my headphone. You could use the different RCA. You could use the red and white RCA ends and put it, and that goes to your mixer, which the interface I'm using as for the click for the metronome. I'm using the Eurorack UB1832 mixer from Behringer also, and the click I have it connected to a stereo channel on one of them. You see I have it there as a name click or PC whatever. Okay, the other RCA cable comes from your headphone jack from your laptop, and it goes to your mixer, which I have two separate channels here on the mixer. For the laptop sounds, one I'm using as the left, the other right. Also the 1/4 inch cable, it goes from your phones, from your headphones output on your mixer, and this one is gonna go to your headphone amp. This is that little cable that I show you. Don't connect the 1/4 inch cable to one end on your headphone amp, because the thing is, if you do that, it's gonna come, the metronome is gonna come out only on one side of your headphones, and you want it on both sides. It depends on what you want. So I connect it to the A option of the headphone and to the left and right. So that way on my headphones, the metronome is going to come out on both sides, not only on one side, whichever. So that's pretty much it on the setup. Again, let me show you right quick. Your audio interface, then you get the RCA cable. It goes to your mixer, whichever channels you want, and then the other RCA cable from your laptop, from your headphone jack to the mixer, to different channels, and the 1/4 inch cable, you use it from your headphone output on your mixer, and it goes to the headphone amp there. And of course your headphones, you plug in on the front. My amp is already turned on. So now let's take a look at the settings on FL Studio. Alright, so this is FL Studio. Basically what you want to do here is the metronome, you're going to assign it to one of the mixer tracks. This is your mixer on your FL Studio, and you want to assign it to one of the channels here in order for you to send it to the interface, the audio interface. Also, I have opened up Edison, which this is where you load your song if you want to listen to a song through your headphones. And this is our FX Nexus I use with the keyboard here. Again, so anyways, you have to go, in order to get this metronome into one of the channels, you go to your options. See the reflection on the back, that's where I'm there. I guess go to your options, and then go to your MIDI, and this comes up. Wait, it's too bright. So it's not on the MIDI, so you gotta go to your audio. On your audio here, click on it, and then here where it says preview mixer track, you want to set this to 1. Basically that's gonna make your metronome come out in one of the channels, in your first channel on your mixer. So yeah, go ahead and on your audio option, And then here where it says preview mixer track, set it to 1, and just close your window. And now if you click on play, your metronome is on the first channel. So you could just right click and rename this into I renamed this into a click. This is the actual song, Arcs, Effects and Axis, whatever. So okay, once you have set this up, now you don't want the click to come out on your master here, which is on the left. So what you're gonna do is make sure you highlight the metronome, which is the click, your first option. Highlight it, and then once you highlight it, you go here on your master, and you see this little, let me focus on here, this little flag, you click it off, so that way the metronome is not going to come out to through your PA or whatever. See, now I'm clicking and no sound. So but now you want to make the metronome come out on your headphones. So in order to do that, you go here on your mixer, and bear with me because I'm using the camera one hand and the other one on the laptop. So here you're gonna choose your USB interface. So now that metronome is gonna come out right on this baby here, and let's take a look at that. Let's put the metronome, hit play. It's working. So let me go to the mixer, and so this one I'm gonna put it up. You could hear it because it's coming through my PA, but what you want is to hit solo on your mixer or mute it, and that way it's gonna come out only on the headphones, on the headphone amp. So let me see how the setup is. Bear with me because you know this is supposed to be clicking. You're supposed to see a there it is. Okay, hold on. I'm still hearing the thing. See, now it's coming, the click is coming out of on my amp. Okay. That's the metronome coming out on the headphones. So let's go back. So that sucker's working already. I stopped it. For some reason it's still coming out of my on my PA speaker. But anyways, on the channel, on the clicking channel, you're supposed to mute all this and make sure it only comes out to the headphones, and that way it's gonna send a signal to here. I guess I'm gonna have to do another video in order to get the right settings on the mixer, but basically that's how it works. This is where the click is coming out to, coming out from, that's what I meant to say, and to your amp, your headphone amp. And now let me go back to the laptop. You could also make Edison, and this is the music, this is a Spanish song, so I just want to show you how it's gonna sound. So that sound is coming from your regular PA speaker, but I want to make Edison also come out. You make sure you highlight it, and also on your master here, make sure you take it off on your master track. Let me focus on this. You take Edison out of here, and you still have this highlighted, and you go make Edison come out to your USB interface, audio interface. So now basically you have Edison, in which this is where I load the song, and my metronome come out to the audio interface, into the mixer, and then to the headphone amp. That way you could get the metronome coming out only on your headphones. For drummers, this works really well. So also having the song play through the earphones is pretty cool. If you're gonna stick to the actual song and play it as it is, it's nice. I have also RFX Nexus, and that's coming out to my regular PA speakers. You can hear the sound. So yep, that's how it is. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. I still need to figure out the proper settings. I had it set up, but my daughter keeps pressing all the buttons here, and she screwed everything up, and I have to set them back the way I had it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this helps you. You're in your band. Again, if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you.